Hey dear users. Welcome to the Agile Stores add-ons for WooCommerce tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to display the store list either on the cart page or the product page. So let's get started with the video. As you can see, there are 4 widget selection options available. Namely, product page, cart page, local pickup, distance shipping. For this particular tutorial, we're going to explore both product page and cart page widget selection options. To use these widget selection features, you'll need to go to the WooCommerce option under Agile Store Locator plugin. Once you arrived at the Agile Stores add-ons dashboard, let's begin our exploration with the product page feature. Let's select the product page option. Also, we need to save the changes to view the store lists on the product page. Now let's go to the Product Central to select any product that is assigned to the stores. To learn how to assign products to store locations and develop relationships between stores and products, you'll need to watch our Global Tab feature tutorial. I'll put the link in the description box below. For this particular example, let's view the burgundy suit product. Choose the large size and black color options. Here you can see the product page widget appearing just above the Add to Cart button. We've successfully added the product page widget on the product page. Let's go to the Agile Stores add-ons for WooCommerce dashboard. And select cart page widget so store lists can be seen on the cart page. Once again, go to the product page and refresh the page. Once again, select the size and color of the product. But at this time, store list widget is not appearing on the product page, because we've selected the cart page widget, which you'll be able to see on the cart page. Now view the cart page. Here you can see the store list widget appearing on the cart page. Select the store and let's proceed to the checkout. Now place the order right away. That's all from this. Hope you like this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Agile Stores add-ons for WooCommerce plugin videos. Until then, goodbye.